Whether you're navigating the streets of a new city or you're hiking an epic trail, a good sling can be a traveler's stylish secret weapon for on-the-go convenience.
A sling is great when you want to empty your pockets, or maybe you don't have pockets, but you don't want to carry a big backpack around. Wearing a sling on the front of your body is also a great way to potentially avoid being pickpocketed in touristy or crowded areas. And if it's small enough, wearing a sling could even be a hack to get an extra bag on your flight.
There are loads of sling options on the market, so in this video, we're gonna share and compare 6 of our favorite slings for travel. Hey guys, I'm Nick.
And I'm Allie.
And we're away together.
One thing I almost never travel without anymore is my sling bag. I used to carry a smaller day pack backpack, but I found that the sling was way more compact, comfortable, and stylish. And personally, I just loved that the sling forced me to be a little bit more minimal with what I carry day to day.
We're gonna show you 6 options, and most of these are unisex, but some are a little bit more feminine and some are, I would say, a little bit more masculine. This video isn't sponsored, and we used our own money to buy everything that we're showing you. We went ahead and linked to all of these options below if you're interested in any of them, and we'll also show you pricing and capacity for everything that we're gonna show you. Let's dive in.
Okay, so we're gonna go in size order, and we're gonna start on the small end. First up is the Herschel 14 Hip Pack. This is our lowest price option, coming in at just $30. And at 1 liter, it's designed really for the essentials. The exterior is polyester and the interior is fabric. It's got an adjustable strap so that you can wear it around your waist or over your shoulder. Really, this bag is nothing too fancy or technical, but it has some nice details. It has a pebbled leather pull for the zipper and the signature Herschel stripe fabric liner that is basic, simple, and classy. You can get this directly on the Herschel website or on Amazon. It comes in 8 or so unique colorways, and I've seen it go on sale multiple times, so you might even find a better deal. I really like this bag because it's stylish and lightweight, and again, it's nothing fancy, but it does get the job done. Also coming in at 1 liter and around the same price, you've got another great small sling option that has a somewhat different vibe than the Herschel. This is the Lululemon Everywhere Belt Bag. Being a Lululemon, it's a little bit more of an athletic feel. The body is water repellent nylon and the lining is polyester. Unlike the Herschel, it has 2 zipper compartments on the interior and a little bit more organization. I like that the larger interior area has 2 mesh divided pockets, and the zippered back pocket can stay hidden and closer to your body. The strap seems really nice and durable, and at the time of filming this video, this bag comes in about 13 different colorways, but I've definitely seen more options on Lululemon each season. They kind of drop new colors. This is the option I would grab if I was looking for fun, vibrant colors and a more athletic feel.
All right, we're moving out of the 1 liter category, and I believe all of the slings from here on out will be a little more feature dense. Our next sling actually calls himself a fanny pack. And I probably wouldn't personally wear it that way, but you can if you want. This is the D1 Fanny Pack by WANDRD. I've always liked WANDRD. They make excellent products with travelers in mind, and I'm a huge fan of their packable day pack. Like most of their goods, this has a very weather-resistant kind of feel. It's made of ballistic nylon. This is like if Batman wore a fanny pack. It's 2 liters, and you can wear it on the waist or crossbody. It's got dedicated organization for things like your phone, your wallet, your keys, and it even has a built-in key clip. It's got YKK zippers for extra security, which is good because it's marketed as the right size to carry a small camera. What I can say is it feels really sturdy. I like the magnetic strap and the level of organization for being as small as it is. It comes in 7 different colorways. It's listed at $74, and I really like this. This is a cool product. Hey, real quick, if you're getting value out of this video, I would love it if you hit that like button so that YouTube will know to suggest it to other travelers like you. Thank you.
This next option is my most favorite sling I've ever owned. And it's the answer to one of the most frequently asked questions on our channel. What sling is Allie wearing? This is the Hudson sling by FreePeople. It's around 2 liters, has great organization, and unlike some of these other slings that we've shown that are super technical, this one is more cute and stylish. I actually carried this exact model with us on a 6-month trip to 17 different countries across Europe and Asia, and I freaking love this bag. It's made of artisan leather and has a suede fabrication, and really it's just got this cool vintage weathered aesthetic, I would say. I love that it's like a tiny crossbody bag that's more meant to be worn on the front of your person. This front pocket is perfect for small things like chapstick, AirPods, things that I want to reach for real quickly. It's got 2 other larger compartments that are bigger and have plenty of room for me to carry things like my passport, wallet, sunglasses, phone, and still have space. I really appreciate the design where there's this hook at the top, which made me feel a little bit more secure against pickpockets or someone trying to unhook my bag from me. And by the way, you see this clip here? Count the number of bags I'm carrying. This is the hack I was talking about earlier. I've worn this bag onto 30 plus flights and no one has batted an eye. It really becomes part of your outfit. Granted, your mileage may vary. This bag clocks in at $78 and comes in 8 different color options, and you can find it on FreePeople's website.
All right, we're moving up in size yet again. Next up is the Explorer HO2 Minimalist Sling by Tomtoc. This has an internal capacity of 4 liters, and with that you've got more room. I think they've used it wisely by giving it 3 distinct pockets. You've got a quick access front pocket for things like your headphones and your keys. It's got a built-in key strap. The large internal compartment has multiple slip pockets and dividers for things like a power bank, cables, etc. And then there's a secret hidden back pocket for important items like your phone or your passport. This is made of a sturdy Cordura ballistic nylon, and it's got YKK zippers for added security. One thing I like about this is the strap is pretty low profile and the buckles make it easy to quickly take it off when you're going through security. It's designed so that when you pull it from the back to the front, the pack is horizontal so nothing could fall out. I think it's a great price at only $42.99. Comes in a bunch of different colorways and it's got a cool, technical yet minimalist vibe. I really like this one. Okay, this next one is a similar option, but definitely more premium overall. This is the Bellroy Sling Mini. It's also 4 liters, and its durable, water-resistant woven fabric is made from 100% recycled bottles. It's got 2 main zip compartments. The large compartment has a good amount of space and thoughtful touches like a lined sunglasses pouch and a key clip. I guess a lot of these have key clips, but it's still thoughtful, okay? The front zip pocket has room for your phone and other slip pockets for things like your headphones. It's pretty slim when it's empty, and thanks to these gussets, you can really compress it down. And then when you pack it more full, it expands quite nicely. Really nice touch. The strap has a magnetic clip closure, which I also think is cool and very gratifying when it clips together. It's got a padded paneling on the back for comfort. Comes in 8 different colors and definitely a more unisex style, I would say, than the Tomtoc or the WANDRD. At $89, it's almost double the price of the Tomtoc. And for me personally, I'm speaking for me personally, I'm not sure it's feature dense enough for me to want to pay double. But this is an excellent product and I really respect what they've done here. I think it's a good buy.
All right guys, so we hope that this video is helpful to you. Let us know in the comments below which sling is your favorite, and happy travels.